In this video, we're going to take you through the steps required to get your Canon PIXMA Pro-10S out of its box and up and running. Before we begin, we should just mention that the Pro-10S is built to be incredibly tough and reliable. What this means is that it's a very heavy and unwieldy product to move around, so please make sure you have some assistance. At the very least, you should exercise the usual caution and best practice around lifting heavy objects. You should also make sure the desk or surface you situate the printer on is completely flat and level. If it's a desk, you'll also need to ensure that it's got very strong legs that can withstand side-to-side flex. So, with that out of the way, place the box on the floor right side up, immediately adjacent to where you want to put the printer. Open it up and remove the ink tanks, power cable, print head, CD printing tray, and the bag containing the installation disc and setup guides. Make absolutely sure you've retrieved all these items from the box, including all 10 ink tanks. Get some help to carefully lift the printer out of its box and onto your desk or work surface. Remove the printer from its protective bag and then peel off all the orange bits of tape, clear plastic wrapping, and other packaging. Remember to recycle or discard these items as appropriate. It's now time to power up the printer for the first time. Plug in the power cable and switch on the printer. Wait for a few moments until the printer initializes and the power light is solid white. If you're intending to connect the printer to your computer with a USB cable, don't plug it in just yet. This happens at the software configuration stage. Open up the printer like so and wait for the print head carriage to swing into place. Make absolutely sure that it's stopped moving before opening up the lock arm. The print head can be carefully removed from its wrapping, the orange caps removed and placed into the printer like so. Make sure you don't touch any of the electrical contacts or the inkjet nozzles. Now it's time to install the ink tanks. Remove the packaging and orange cap seals and place each tank into their corresponding colour slot. Push the ink tanks down firmly with a discernible click and look for the red light to illuminate on the ink tank. This confirms that it's placed correctly into the printer. In no particular order, you can place all the ink tanks into the machine before closing the lid. The printer will again proceed to make a few noises before settling down. The lights on the printer will look like this if everything's gone to plan. You can now go about preparing the printer for connection to your devices. You can use a USB cable to connect to a computer, or alternatively, you can set it up on your network so it can be shared with multiple devices and users. For USB connections, you won't need to do anything. You can simply proceed to the software installation step and follow the on-screen instructions. For network use, you'll need to specify which method of connection you want to use. If you intend to use an Ethernet network cable to connect the printer to your router, you'll need to enable wired network mode. Here's how. Hold down the resume button until the white power light flashes 11 times. Let go after the 11th flash. The white light will go steady and the blue Wi-Fi lamp will go out completely. Once this is done, you can go ahead and plug in the network cable and proceed with the driver and software installation for your Windows or Mac computer. For wireless connections, you'll first need to enable cableless setup mode. To do this, hold down the Wi-Fi button until the power light flashes twice. Cableless setup mode is a temporary Wi-Fi connection that enables you to directly connect your computer, smartphone or tablet so you can step through a Wi-Fi configuration routine. Once this routine is complete, your Wi-Fi network details will be uploaded to the machine so that all your compatible devices can see it on the network. If you choose to use a smartphone or tablet to carry out this procedure, you'll need to download and install the Canon Print Inkjet Selfie app from Google Play or the Apple App Store. For Windows or Mac computers, you can download the full driver and software package from our website. That brings us to the end of the video. We hope you found it useful and that you're looking forward to high-quality photo printing on your Canon PIXMA Pro-10S.